Hey, in this video we'll be discussing the Keeper Cargo Bar for the back of your truck to keep your cargo locked in either in the front or in the back acting as a trunk. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Let's get moving! Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, today we're going to be doing a little video on the Jeep Gladiator. It'll actually be pretty quick. I have been using a cargo bar from Keeper that I bought at Home Depot for about $26. Actually, this thing's great. I find with the Gladiator I have two main functions of it. Either I'm out camping or riding my motorcycle and I'm loading the back with gear, and sometimes I want to push the containers to the front and hold them in place. Or during the week, I like to use it as a trunk, and I put this bar in here and things go up against it, like, you know, like 12 packs of Coke and stuff like that, you know, groceries or, you know, bags of stuff. And when I first got the Gladiator, and it does have a tonneau cover, you can see here, this was, if stuff moved to the front, God, it was like an effort to get in there. I'm 50 years old, and you have to crawl in there or get something to pull it out with. So in this particular case, this is a super simple thing. It's got feet on the end. It goes between 40 and 70 inches. Again, feet on this end, and it's just got a ratcheting system. So you just get it going, you just ratchet it out. You can do it that way, or you can actually push this forward like so with this, and you can pull it back and forth. So let's put it in place. You can see how it works. Again, this is $26 at Home Depot, and it's pretty cool actually. So again, I've got my this is 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. It's got a great bed. It's about 5 feet long. I've got these 38-gallon containers I like to use for camping and motorcycle gear. They go perfectly up against the tonneau cover. But with that said, when we put in this particular piece here, I can have, you know, quite a bit of room here, almost like a trunk you'd have in a car. So I tell you what, let's put this thing up and I'll show you how it works. So you get your feet where you want them on the side. In this particular case, we'll just pull it out like so, and we'll engage this right here. And this is just a ratchet. And you know what? I didn't put it tight enough. I'll put it up against here. And you know what? That's good enough. And so when I'm done here, I'll pull this forward and push this in. And so now my cargo's in place. If it is, you can see here, this is nice and flush here. And if I want to pull this out, I can. And if I want to loosen it and bring this down, I just pull this all the way forward like so. And it just kind of comes down. And again, you can put it up just as easy as we took it down. We can put it back up. So come here, put this up, go ahead and ratchet it out, and put that in place. And that's really it. You know, I made it a little bit more level than I did here, but a lot of times I'll have it down here during the week, and so it almost acts like a trunk. And that is the Keeper Cargo Carrier from Home Depot, or Cargo Bar from Home Depot. Again, it's about $26. They carry them in stock. I bought mine in stock, so there you go. Whew, it is hot out here. Again, it's about 90 plus here in Georgia. Hey, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed watching the Keeper Cargo Bar. It was a short video. Hey, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Hey, have a great day. Thanks.